Okay, I promised a story. It's not actually the story with pictures the way we do. Sometimes it is a review about, what's this? A symbol for moose and whiskers like this. What am I talking about? A feles, a cat. So, mus in domo est. Feles murem videt. Feles ad murem curit. Feles murem capit. Mus mintrit, squeak, 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 mintrit. Feles murem edit. Feles satura et leta est. You remember? There were two versions of it because we also had one where mus fugit, and then we had feles non satura est, right? Not satisfied, still hungry. There was a word for it. We'll think of it. But if you go to your workbook now on page 26, you will find this story. So take a break for 1 minute, pause the video, and go find page 26 in your workbook. I'm waiting for you. Okay, this is very simple, except I can't imagine what you will draw. It's the same thing we've had in the past. So if you look in this upper corner, it's mus in domo est. So you can draw a picture of the mouse in the house. And then feles murem videt. All right, I think it would actually be good. You may have to take another moment to go get a red pencil and a blue pencil, or two different colors. You can choose. I'm okay with whatever, but go do that. And I'm waiting for you. Okay, if you pause that, that's great. We're back at it. We have several nouns in this. We have feles, and we have mus, or we have felem, and we have murem. And what is the difference? Why do we sometimes use the ending sound of S and sometimes M? We're just reviewing this. I think you know it and will remember. If you don't remember straight away, you will remember as soon as I tell you, okay? So we have the nominative, which is the subject of the sentence. The subject does whatever happens in the sentence. And the direct object is the accusative. Whatever is happening to something is the direct object. It's done by the subject. So in Latin, the signal that it's a subject in this case is that it's ending in S. So we have mus in domo est. The mouse is in the house. The mouse is doing the doing. The feles sees the mouse, so that's the nominative. What I'd like you to do, I've given you the first two nominatives. With one color, look at all 6 of these boxes, 7 of these boxes, and underline the noun that ends in S, the nominative case that ends in S. All right? So you already know mus in domo est is the number 1. I'm not going to hold that up because it's shining through. Or I could do it this way. Then it won't shine through so much. There's a little bleed through. Okay, I'm to the side, but mus in domo est. So mus is nominative. In number 2, feles murem videt, which is the nominative that ends in S, is feles, is doing the seeing. Number 3, feles ad murem curit. So feles is the subject, the S, that's easy. 4, easy again. Feles murem capit. captures that mouse. So feles. Number 5, moose. It's the last thing he does. He squeaks. So that's the subject. Feles murem edit. So that is again, feles is the subject, the nominative. And finally, the number 7th, feles is the subject, the nominative again. Now here we go. We're looking for direct objects. Choose your second color. Get that out. All right. We don't have a direct object in number 1. The clue for us to find the direct object or the accusative is that it's going to end in M on this example. So, mus in domo est. Domo is a thing, is in the house, but that's different. That's the ablative case. We're just looking for accusative today. Feles murem videt. So there's the accusative ending in the M. Okay, I'm not going to tell you all the other ones. Where else do we see the accusative? You underline them whenever you see them, and then we'll just tell which ones they are. So I'm giving you 5 more seconds. Okay, that's about 5 seconds. So we knew murem is in 1 and murem is in 2. And so easy because they're all the direct objects in this happen to be the murem. In sentence 3 is feles ad murem curit. 4 is feles murem capit. And unfortunately, number 6 is feles murem edit. Okay, that's all for that. Stay tuned for the next thing we do.